Next question. In Mashiach days, when there will be 2,800 students/servants per Jew holding onto their Tzitzis, to get there, and things move forward the hard way, and Chas v'Shalom, 80% of the world's population dies. With the 4 million remaining Jews, there would need to be a populace of 11.2 billion Goyim in the world to have that 2,800 to 1 ratio. So my question is, if there's a chance that maybe the 2,800 was not meant in a literal sense, but in a value sense, like Eliezer, because otherwise the world would need to somehow get to a populace of over 56 billion.
So we know how many Jews are going to survive, first of all, right? Unfortunately. So we're working on it. We're trying to bump up the statistics with people to do the Shiur. So first of all, there were only men wear tzitzis. And so how do we get from this to 2,800? It's 70 nations, right? 10 people from each nation. And we have all of the tzitzis, right? From all of the corners. And what does it mean? So of course this Goyim, they take it out of the context. So the people are going to come and learn from the righteous Jews. So how many of them would be able to teach non-Jews? Okay, then not so many teachers, right? So all of the bad teachers are going to gone. So it's going to be open field. You understand? So, so the privilege, of course, as the Talmud explained, it's not like we were looking for slaves and these Goyim to say, like slave free labor, like somebody like in their mind, like slave somebody to rape, somebody to kill, somebody like to take advantage of. We don't need that. So for us, for a Jew, the only thing that Jew wants is to peace and quiet, to learn Torah. So and these people, they would come and they would search for the word of the HaShem. And from where? From the priests, they're gone. From imams, gone. Right? From all of the clowns, from internet, gone. Everybody's gone. So who is remain? Only religious Jews. So they gather to religious Jews. So if you want me to teach you, so you have to help me a little with my rent. Of course, the rent is a lot because a lot of apartments because many people are gone. Money is not going to cost anything, but just do some chores. I don't know, whatever needs to be done. So it's not like it's not like slaves. And plus, it's a big privilege actually to serve your rabbi, to serve your teacher, right? It says all of this assistant to the big rabbis. They not like Amarats. I mean, it was they were the greatest rabbi themselves. Not the greatest, but they were great themselves. You understand? So because they knew how is it important to serve a rabbi. So about numbers is taken literally. We're going to see. It's one of the things, as Rambam said, there is this scenario. He subscribed to another scenario, but he said it's actually is going to play according to the situation. Right? So it's not know how is it going to be. But maximum, some people wear just, Rav Kook, I think he wears 10 tzitzis, 10 pairs, so he's looks very bulky, right? Because he wants to cover all the corners with halacha. So some people, they tie tzitzis differently, right? And different lacing, stuff like that. So he's trying to cover all of the corners, like all the opinions, and he wears different. So if you go to the store, you see there is with 1 hole, with 2 holes. So one of my students said, Rabbi, should I buy with 1 hole or 2 holes? I said with 1 hole. Okay, Rabbi, can I buy with 1 hole? I said, I told you like 6 months ago when I remember. He said, no, I bought with 2. So why you asked me in the first place? So if you bought with 2, there is no problem. So you can follow that tradition. Continue buying with 2. No, but this with 1 is on sale. You understand? So there is a one like Ashkenazi, Sephardi, this Hasidish, that Hasidish, long, short, thin, thick, like many different, with a V-neck, with a round, with stripes, no stripes, this stripes, that stripes, like many different combinations. Okay. So it's not only 1 to 2800. If he has I don't know, 10 of them, whereas 10 of them daily, so it's much more than that. Okay. What else? But good question. Yeah, good, very good question.
Thank you very much, brother.
You're welcome.